Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add the Task Manager option to Taskbar context menu in Windows 11. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand control, click and expand feature management, click and expand overrides. Click and expand for, create new key named as 18878699580. Create new DWord 32-bit value named as EnabledStateOptions. Change value data to 0. Create new DWord 32-bit value named as EnabledState. Change value data to 2. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.